Hello all, welcome back to our channel. Are you planning for a trip to Spiti Valley, Ladakh or any similar Himalayan region with your family and that too with a kid? And are you confused what are the things that you need to carry for such a high terrain, tough trips? Then you have landed to the right video. Trips to Spiti Valley, Ladakh cannot be done just like that. It needs proper planning, preparation, dedicated budget and a good health condition too. You should be well equipped with the items, medicines, proper clothing for such trip. You should be taking extra precautions if you're traveling with a kid. So before jumping to the main topic, if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe right away and hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload the new travel videos. So now let's get started.
So these are the shoes that we have planned to carry for the Spiti trip. So this is for my 5-year-old kid. It's not waterproof. This is waterproof shoes for my wife. So we got this from Decathlon. We paid around 2.5k. And this is the army boots. This I had purchased for my Ladakh trip 6 years back. These are the socks. Some of them are woolen socks to withstand the low temperatures in Spiti, and the rest of them are the normal socks. Try to have full length socks instead of ankle length. We have one dedicated suitcase just for the thermals. These are the caps, muffler, and the jackets, some sweaters for all three of us. So this completely occupied one full suitcase. I'll quickly show you what are the medicines and the toilet items that we are carrying for our Spiti trip. So let's start with this. So the Calpol 250 mg for my kid in case if he gets fever. This is Cinerest if in case he gets cold, and this is Omnigel if anybody suffers with body pain, and these are Snickers to keep ourselves energetic. Couple of parachute hair oil. So we bought this specifically because it is a low temperature area, the regular oil will get solid, so it will be hard to squeeze the oil from the bottle. So this will remain in the liquid state even in the low temperature, so we got that one specifically. And this is the eucalyptus oil, and this is the Himalaya lip balm. This is Dart tablet in case if I get heavy headache. This is L-Dopa in case your stomach is upset. And this is Dolo 650. This is some set of band-aids. So this is Avamin 25 mg. This is for the travel sickness. Usually my kid feels like puking if he is in the car, especially in the curvy sections of the road. So we'll be giving half a tablet just before the food. So this is taken after getting the prescription from our pediatrician. And this is very important tablet. This is Diamox 250 mg. This is specifically to avoid AMS, that is acute mountain sickness. This is the general ointment in case we have some injuries, bandage, cotton. So this is Econorm powder. This is for my kid in case if he suffers from stomach upset. Dettol small bottle, Amrutanjan, and this is Combi Flame for general fever and body ache. This is sunscreen lotion with SPF 40. This is to avoid any sunburns. And we have 2 boxes of wet wipes with no scent, and this is a small box with toothbrushes and pastes, body wash, we don't carry soap, and this is the body lotion. So this is the last set of items that we are about to pack for the Spiti trip. The spike buster, this is really important in case you are staying in a small rooms. You might end up having just one plug point, so you might need this to keep your phones and cameras charged. And these are 3 empty bottles that we are carrying. So we are planning to have the 5 liters or 10 liters water can, and we will be refilling these bottles. And this is a rechargeable torch. I got this from Amazon. And this is flask, and these are some of the chargers and handkerchiefs, hand towels, tissue roll, and these are some small toys for my kid. And you might need some of the documents handy, so we have some small set of documents that we have xeroxed, specifically the Aadhaar card and vaccination certificates. So keep that handy and also have that original in your safe place.
In the remote places of Spiti Valley and Ladakh, there is very less possibility of people accepting the payments from PhonePe, Google Pay, or even debit card, credit card. So the best thing is to carry enough cash with various denominations and keep a lot of change handy. Some of the thermals for me and my wife, we bought it in Decathlon, but finding a good quality budget friendly thermals for the kids in Decathlon was a challenge. So we found a great place in Bangalore that's called Pinball in Tyagaraja Nagar. I'll be sharing the location details in the description. It has various options of thermal wears for all the age groups, and they are budget friendly too. If you have found this video helpful and informative, please hit that like button and share it with your friends who are traveling to Spiti Valley or Ladakh. So with this, I'll be signing off. All the very best for your trip to Spiti Valley and Ladakh. Stay safe and happy traveling. See you in the next video.